So as you can see, I'm wiring up the strip lights on the side of the staircase, and this is taking such a long time. I need to take the cable, strip it back, strip the cable, tin the wire, then do that 3 times, solder them together, a little bit of twisting. It's quite hard on the fingers as well. This is going to definitely take the rest of today, tonight, and hopefully not tomorrow. Let me give you a close-up time lapse of what I'm doing here 12 times. Did you catch that in the time lapse? Okay, well, if not, let me show you a couple of details. The first one, well, here are all the wires soldered together, and what you're looking at is the wires staggered out. So the whites, the blues, the greens, the reds, the brown, the blacks, and so I'm just making a Y cable out of this, and I'll wrap it in some heat shrink and it'll look great. All right, now it has the heat shrink on and looks tidy enough. I'm tempted to terminate the end of this and plug it in, put some power on, make sure what I've done so far actually works. Yes, there is light, it's working. So 3 steps, 3 alternating steps. I got a lot more to do. Halfway there. I've been at this all day today. I don't know if I go faster with practice. Maybe. Will you come back tomorrow to see it finished? I hope so. I'll be here finishing it. I hopefully have slept between now and then, but I really do want to keep going just to get this done. I'm sick of the staircase now. It just needs to be up. I don't want to be dancing on it. I'll see you tomorrow. Probably not dancing on it tomorrow, but let's see. Bye.